Okay, so the project for Spanish 1, basically these first two slides don't really aren't really for anything. This is just telling you the directions, what the objectives, what you're going to do, okay? You're going to be doing all your work on this slide here, okay? This is a vocabulary list you can use. It includes some of our food vocabulary, and it has some extra vocabulary too, whatever you want to do. This is just, again, the same thing. It's the same thing as these up here, the objectives. And again, another list, it's the same thing. And this is the rubric here, how you're going to be graded, okay? So what you have to do on here, let me make it bigger so we can kind of see it. All right, so in each quarter, you have to do a different thing. This is basically talking about your breakfast, lunch, okay, dinner, and then here you're going to insert pictures of foods, okay, that you've talked about in your sentences, foods and drinks, okay? So you have to go and figure out what each question is asking. So here we're talking about breakfast. ¿Qué comes en el desayuno? Well, you should know that comer means to eat. So what do you eat for breakfast, right? All of these are in the to form, the you form, because they're asking you the question. You have to then flip it, okay, to the yo form. Does that make sense? So for example, I'll give you an example. Here it says, ¿Qué comes en el desayuno? What do you eat for breakfast? Well, here, let me get out of this. Go back to the slide so I can edit it. Okay, so here, you erase the escribe aquí part like that, and then just answer the question. What do you eat? Well, you can say yo, right? That's I. Conjugate the verb comer to yo como. And what do you eat? Yo como el cereal, okay? En el desayuno. And that's all you do there. Okay, and it pretty much asks you the same question for, let me present it from that slide so you can see it a little better. Okay, so yo como el cereal en el desayuno. ¿Qué bebes? What do you drink? ¿Quién prepara? ¿Quién means whom? So whom prepares breakfast in your house, okay? Here, it's asking the same thing, it's just about lunch. So what do you eat for lunch? What do you drink for lunch? ¿Dónde comes el almuerzo? Where do you eat lunch? Like, do you eat in the cafeteria? Do you eat in a classroom? Do you eat at home? Okay. ¿Con quién comes? And with whom do you eat? So you have to answer that here. Here, it's asking, ¿Qué comes generalmente en la cena? What do you generally eat for dinner? ¿Qué bebes? What do you drink? ¿Quién prepara? Again, who prepares it? And ¿con quién comes? With whom do you eat? Okay, so you have to answer those questions in each box. And then here, just insert pictures of the food. And that's it. That's the project, okay? You can use SpanishDICT.com or WordReference.com to help you if you need certain words that are not on the vocabulary list or your vocabulary list at home, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Adios.